Hi everyone, Chef PD back again. So today I'd like to share with you my smokehouse rub recipe. It's a dry rub that I put on all my steaks, whether it's filet mignon, porterhouse, T-bone, New York strip, ribeye, and I've had this recipe for about 30 years now, and it's my go-to dry rub for all my steaks. And if you have not subscribed, please do so now. If you're ready, let's get started. Okay, let's look at the seasoning. I have a quarter cup of kosher salt, quarter cup of brown sugar, quarter cup of chili powder, quarter cup of paprika, and 2 tablespoons of black pepper. I have 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of celery salt, and 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. All you do is going to mix all this up. Put it all into a big bowl. And you can reduce this down to a smaller quantity, but once you taste this, you're going to want a massive amount here, so you can use it all the time. Mix well. And then you get a spice bottle, and you just fill it up. And then the rest, you're going to put in a container to use later. Alright, let's go grill the steak. Okay, so today I have a ribeye. This is just over a pound. And I've taken this out for about half hour now. Bring it to room temperature. Put a little bit of olive oil on it. And my grill is going right now, so it's heating up. And you just sprinkle this rub on here. You want to get a good amount on here. Smush it down on here. Okay, let's go check on the grill. We got it to about 600 degrees right now. Oh yeah, very hot. Okay, let's get it on here. Alright, we're gonna let it Let it be on the grill for about 5.5 minutes aside. In the meantime, you can check out my deck here. We grill year-round. Welcome to the tropical paradise of Minnesota. My pool is all got a bunch of snow in it. But today is actually warm. It's about 30 degrees today. I think last week it was 20 below with 50 below wind chill. Brrr. Alright, let's check on it. Alright, about 5.5 minutes. Let's flip it. Oh yeah. Check that out. Okay, I'll put another 5.5 minutes. Okay, got 5.5 minutes on this side. Oh yeah. Alright, get it checked out. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. I normally let it sit for about half hour so the juices don't run out, but I'm going to have to try this out now. Very juicy. Medium rare. Check that out. Check this out. Oh yeah. Oh, good. Mmm. Now that's a good ribeye. Mmm. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you get a chance to try it. Let me know in your comments below. I'll see you next time. Bye. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.